Well, these thousands and thousands of migrants heading out from the villages, especially from North Karnataka, towards Bengaluru, towards Hyderabad, towards Mumbai. We went to the bus stand in Ballari last night to understand what was going on, and we indeed found many people uprooting themselves for their jobs in Bengaluru. We were at the Bengaluru bus stand with people calling for people to actually enter the Bengaluru bus, and we found so many people making that journey, that overnight journey, in search of work. These are people who are actually heading to the capital of Karnataka from Bellary district, catching their supper, eating their supper here before setting off on that long journey. So she's heading to Bangalore to do construction work. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾತ್ರ?
ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಾರಣ್ಣ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
So she's going this year with her family because this year there was no rain, no crops. That's why she's going this year.
ಮಳೆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ನೀರು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದೇ ಬೆಳೆ ನೀರು, ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಊಟನ ಸರಿ ಒಂದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಒಂದಿನಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನ ಒಂದ್ 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
So when there are 2 crops in a year, they manage to stay here. But this year there's only 1 crop. There's no rain, no drinking water, not enough food for them to eat. So they're heading off to Bengaluru. The night bus to Bengaluru from Ballari. The night has cooled the temperature down a little bit in Bellary, but not much. It's still a very, very hot night. Suma and Parvati heading off to the big city. Suma, ನಿಮ್ಮೂರು ಯಾವುದು? ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಹತ್ರನಾ ಇದು?
ದೂರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ದಾಟ ಆ ಕಡೆ.
ಬೆಳ್ಳಾರಿ ದಾಟ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ?
ದುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಸಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? So she's heading off to Bengaluru from a place close to Bellary, looking for work. No fixed work in Bengaluru, but actually looking there for work. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
No work here at all. ಪಾರ್ವತಿ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
So no work here, no rain here, so she's leaving the small children behind. Just some of the people on this night bus to Bengaluru, setting off to try and earn a living. With DM Kumar, Maya Sharma in Bellary for NDTV.